Smoke and vape shops. Neighboring businesses say they're cheapening shopping districts and attracting an unsavory clientele. Police say some, like Christopher Younger's Hippie Town stores, are selling pot, but Younger and others disagree. If I look at that, it looks like marijuana, but you say it isn't.
But it ain't, it's hemp.
It's hemp. At Hippie Town, owner Christopher Younger says he's selling hemp, which is legal under the Pennsylvania Farm Bill. Sold as THCA, it won't get you high in its raw state, but will if it's smoked or vaped. But he's not alone. Others across the city and county are selling it too. But police have confiscated his product and are taking him to court. So you're being persecuted.
And I understand it though.
We want any business to be successful as long as they're operating legitimately.
According to police, lab tests show Hippie Town's weed to be real marijuana. And Younger has spent the better part of the past year in jail and in court. But Younger says he's being singled out. There are dozens of other stores selling what they purport to be THCA, and testing their weed would certainly be a drain on police and the crime lab.
It puts law enforcement in the position of not having the resources to address this issue, and that therefore it is, clearly something that needs to be addressed legislatively.
Unlike medical marijuana dispensaries, which pay steep licensing fees and are heavily regulated, the smoke shops faced almost no regulation, and the state requires only a $25 a year licensing fee to sell non-tobacco products. As a result, community leaders say they're exploiting a loophole in the laws and pulling down their shopping districts like East Ohio Street on the north side.
We're trying to bring back this street. We don't need businesses like that. We want businesses that want to be a part of the community, not, want to just get by just under the law.
Ohio just recently legalized recreational marijuana, and there is a movement in the Pennsylvania legislature to do the same. One proposed bill would require a license to sell any product containing THC or THCA. Attorney Patrick Nightingale, who has long advocated the legalization of marijuana, says the bill would take the problem away from law enforcement and regulate the sale of all of these products.
And I think that may at the very least, start, moving towards, hey, here's how, we have to do it. And if you're not doing it in compliance with this bill, then you're simply not going to be permitted to do it.
Well, the hope is by licensing and regulating the sale of THC and THCA would bring money into the state and help rein in the problems people see around these smoke shops, perhaps slowing their growth and maybe putting some of them out of business. Reporting on East Ohio Street, Andy Sheehan, KDKA-TV News.